Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted destination for valuable investing insights, stock recommendations, and strategies designed to help you cultivate and grow your wealth. In today's captivating video presentation, we'll explore the top 7 long-term stocks for investors to buy and hold. These meticulously curated stocks are for astute investors who seek not just momentary gains, but enduring prosperity through the strategy of buy and hold. But before we delve into the details, we kindly request that you support our channel by liking this video and subscribing for weekly updates. Your support is greatly appreciated, and it helps us continue to provide you with top-notch investment content. So let's dive right in. Also, check out the link in our description to see how you can get up to 16 free stocks to add to your investment portfolio today. Let's get started. In the ever-evolving world of investing, the pursuit of stability and long-term growth has led many astute investors to seek out stocks that offer not only promising returns but also the assurance of enduring value. As we progress into 2023, investors find themselves navigating a market environment where the tides of momentum stocks ebb and flow, underscoring the importance of maintaining a diversified portfolio anchored by dependable assets. While some stocks may soar and plummet with market sentiment, there are steadfast options that have proven their mettle over time. This video reveals 7 such stocks, distinguished by their impressive dividends exceeding 3%, market capitalization surpassing $10 billion, and favorable returns in the current year. Amidst the evolving investment landscape, these stocks present a compelling proposition, rooted in resilient businesses capable of generating consistent income. Without further ado, let's explore our list of the 7 best long-term buy and hold stocks. Number 7. Enterprise Product Partners LP, stock ticker, EPD. Enterprise Product Partners is a publicly traded energy infrastructure company based in the United States. It is one of the largest and most well-known companies in the midstream energy sector. The company primarily operates in the midstream segment of the energy industry, which involves the transportation, storage, and distribution of energy products like crude oil, natural gas, and petrochemicals. When contemplating a long-term investment, Enterprise Product Partners emerges as a robust contender. Operating in the midstream energy services sector, the company specializes in pipeline services for the transportation of crude oil, petrochemicals, and natural gas. Distinguished from its counterparts within the energy sector, which often find themselves at the mercy of the tumultuous fluctuations in oil prices, Enterprise Product Partners stands as a resilient bastion of stability, flourishing within the confines of a more predictable and unwavering operational framework. Testifying this stability is its remarkable record of over 2 decades of consecutive dividend increases, currently yielding more than 4 times the S&P 500 stocks average. With a dividend yield of 7.6% and a year-to-date return of 13.6%, this stock beckons to patient and discerning investors. Number 6. Welltower Incorporated, stock ticker, WELL. In the coming years, Welltower is poised to benefit from a significant demographic shift as aging populations drive increased demand for senior housing and health systems. Operating in the United States, Canada, and the UK, Welltower's business model aligns perfectly with this burgeoning demand for care services. As a real estate investment trust or REIT, Welltower distinguishes itself from direct care providers, focusing instead on ownership and investment in these vital properties. As seen in its recent guidance raise in June, dividends experienced a temporary decline during the pandemic, followed by a triumphant resurgence. With a dividend yield of 3% and a year-to-date return of 24.6%, Welltower exemplifies the promise of sustainable returns in an evolving landscape. Number 5. Southern Copper Corporation, stock ticker, SCCO. In the realm of mining, Southern Copper Corporation extracts metals such as copper and gold from South American soils. While short-term volatility is not uncommon, the stock's upward trajectory over the past 3 years underscores its resilience, nearly tripling in value. This trajectory is closely tied to the indispensable role of copper in various global industries, ensuring a consistent baseline demand for the foreseeable future. Bolstering its appeal, Southern Copper Corporation boasts a dividend yield of 5.5% and a year-to-date return of 20.1%, cementing its position as a long-term asset. Number 4. CubeSmart, stock ticker, CUBE. Size does not diminish the allure of CubeSmart, the smallest entry on this list in terms of market value. Managing self-storage properties and portable storage solutions, CubeSmart operates in a counter-cyclical sphere. Economic fluctuations trigger shifts in demand, often benefiting storage solutions. This counterintuitive dynamic has translated into substantial dividend growth, with payouts surging more than 300% over the last decade. Combining this with a dividend yield of 4.4% and a year-to-date return of 12.6%, CubeSmart asserts its niche value in the long-term investment landscape. Number 3. Digital Realty Trust Incorporated, stock ticker, DLR. Digital Realty Trust stands as an intriguing real estate investment trust or REIT that focuses on data centers and co-location services. With a global presence comprising over 300 data centers in 28 countries, Digital Realty holds the key to a technology-dependent future. While this year's performance may not be the most robust, its tech-savvy approach and a dividend yield of 4.5% position it as a contender for investors seeking a dividend payer aligned with the digital age. A year-to-date return of 14.2% underscores its potential for patient investors. Number 2. Corning Incorporated, stock ticker, GLW. With a legacy dating back to 1851, Corning crafts high-tech glass and ceramics for a variety of modern applications. Its spectrum spans displays for electronic devices, optical communication infrastructure, and a range of specialized products. The diversity and manufacturing prowess of Corning contributes to a substantial competitive advantage in a specialized market. A dividend yield of 3.2% and a year-to-date return of 10.5% reinforce its reputation as a dependable long-term investment. Number 1. The Clorox Company, stock ticker, CLX. With a legacy extending over a century, the Clorox Company is synonymous with consumer staples, offering popular cleaning and sanitizing products along with an array of well-known brands. This diversification serves as a pillar of stability for CLX stock, bolstered further by a remarkable streak of over 2 decades of consecutive dividend increases. With a dividend yield of 3% and a year-to-date return of 14.3%, Clorox's enduring presence and commitment to shareholders secure its position as a premier long-term investment choice. In the ever-evolving landscape of investing, identifying stocks that exemplify stability, longevity, and growth potential is of paramount importance. These 7 stocks highlighted today transcend the current market's volatility, offering dividends exceeding 3%, market capitalization surpassing $10 billion, and favorable returns in 2023. As investors navigate the intricacies of a fluctuating market, these stocks stand as steadfast beacons of value. Their demonstrated resilience, coupled with the potential for sustained income generation, makes them compelling candidates for long-term buy and hold strategies. As we continue on the journey of investment, these stocks beckon as anchors in an uncertain sea, providing solace to those seeking enduring value. This concludes our list of the 7 best long-term buy and hold stocks. Which of these stocks would you consider adding to your investment portfolio? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the link in our description section to learn how you can get up to 16 free stocks to add to your investment portfolio today. Get your free stocks now by clicking on our special link. As always, before committing your hard-earned money to stocks or investments, thorough research and analysis are essential. Remember to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching and happy investing.